Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to decorate for the week of October 21st through to the 27th. I'm actually going to move this here to make it easier. And ouch, Lucy is currently sitting on my chair with me. Like, this is the chair and my legs are out here, but Lucy's back here. So basically I'm pushed to the edge. But anyway, I'm going to be decorating with some pet tape stickers, or PET pet tape stickers that somebody had sent me, and now I can't remember who sent them to me. But I don't normally use pet tape because I hate cutting things out. But these were so cute that I thought, why not use them? And I actually don't know who sells these, so I am not a wealth of information on these. I am sorry. But anyway, first thing I'm going to do is put that coffee sticker down. I mean, I do love them once I've already cut them out. Oh, what I wanted to do was possibly use these stickers from According to Allie, because there's some blue in these, but I think blue would work well with these anyway. And scissors. Oh, right here. Normally I'm not this prepared. So let's cut one in half. But yeah, I don't normally use pet tape because I am not a fan of cutting them out. Maybe I'm just lazy. But I think they're beautiful, and I commend anyone else who does use them. I'm just lazy, I guess. There we go. But look at how pretty that is once it's in there. Then, like, they look like clouds a bit. I'm gonna add this other one here. Oops. Now I have to admit that I've been feeling a little restless when it comes to just using my Sterling 8 Common Planner right now. And I think a lot of that has to do with it's new planner season. I want to get into my new setup, which I know I haven't told you guys about yet because not everything is here yet. And when I do have everything, then I will do a planner lineup video and then a separate setup video. So let's go through all of these. This is the other thing that I'm not a fan of when it comes to the PET or the pet tape, is that there's so many small little bits. Oh, I hate sounding like a complainer, sorry. But I mean, they're so cute when you actually cut them out. So I need to stop complaining and just use them. But I wanted to use these because I love the, is it supposed to be like this or like this? They just look cute. So let's move that here. Then maybe add some of the coffee ones. Again, I don't want to overload. I just want it to be easy to, oh, there we go. I am decorating this at almost 6 o'clock on a Monday evening, so a little bit later than I'd normally like. Oh, I love that sticker. So I'm decorating this a little later than I'd normally like, but again, I feel like that kind of goes with my motivation to use this planner right now. I will finish this planner out this year, but I'm almost doing it begrudgingly. Not that I don't like this planner. I think I'm at that stage where I'm just ready to move on, and I will be using something different for 2025. I don't planner hop very often, and if I do change planners, it's at the end of the year, because I like to finish out a system. I don't like to leave something midway. I've only ever done that once, and that was switching to a whole new system. But this, I am I do want to finish this out, and I will. Okay, so just placing a few more stickers around the edge here. I'm kind of bothered by the way that that is not flat. Like that. And then I'm gonna leave the rest for my daily spread because I just want to make sure I have enough for those. Okay, so what pens am I using? I'm going to try, actually, I want to, firstly, that kind of looks weird, empty like that. I feel like I should have added more now. Or even here. Okay, let's find just a couple smaller bits of coffee ones. Oh, or I've never used this washi tape. I can't remember where I got it, but it's got like little stamps of coffee, and I should use what I have. I don't buy washi very often. I don't buy pet tape, if at all. I'm very minimal when it comes to sticker purchases because I only like to have what I'm going to use. Let me undo this. How cute are those? This would work perfectly in this spread if I can get that off. They look like stamps. Oh, I love it. Why did I not use these sooner? But anyway, I am not a fan of owning a ton of stickers or washi or anything like that because I don't know when or how I'm going to use them all. I like to have a plan for how I'm going to use everything. So let's do that. Actually, just put the sticker down, Karina. That is cute. That is really cute and goes along with the color scheme. No, I'm just gonna leave that. I feel like this is empty though. So it needs one more thing. Like, what is that? Oh, it's like cake. Oh boy. I've had a long day. Long day. All right, now I can start filling it in. So I'm going to use this pen here. This is my Esterbrook SD with, currently has Pelikan Golden Lapis, which is the ink that was given out at the Pelikan Hub. And so far I am enjoying using it. Like, look at the shimmer on that. That is fun. Then I will be using my Waterman Karen. This has Birmingham Pen Co. Distressed Leather. I'm putting my workout schedule in here. I have found a new a new YouTube channel for workouts. Her name is Fit by Mick. So FITBYMIK. And I really like her so far. Was it today I did the 30-minute upper body, and she has quite a few of those as well. Tomorrow will be the stepper, and then Wednesday will be 30-minute lower, and then 30-minute upper, and then stepper. And then I'm deciding what to do for the weekend, but so far I am actually really enjoying her workouts. There's a mix of weight training and some non-weighted movements, and I'm so used to workouts that were just weighted. It's now nice to mix things up a bit. So I'm going in here and adding my work shifts, and I'm already thinking about how different this is going to look come 2025, which I'm excited about. What do you guys have for your 2025 planner lineup? Are you staying the same? Are you changing? What are you doing? So here my to-dos are going to be, well, film this, then meal plan for next week, and order groceries. And I also have a couple more orders to work on this evening. Then switching to the SD. No, Karina, it is not a snap cap. Work. Oh, I love that blue ink, although it looks like it's clogging a little bit. Yeah, hold on. All right, should be working now. Oh, lovely. Then, yeah, the shimmer's not showing up so much on the reverse side, but that's okay. Then, do we have plans Saturday? I don't think we do. Sunday is Thanksgiving. So no, it's not officially Thanksgiving, but it's when my family and I are doing Thanksgiving. Now, I'm going to go into each day here. Ooh, my icons are falling out the bottom. So we'll add, these are icons from my shop, and they fit perfectly in like the 2 grid lines that are in here. So that's the garbage icon to put out the garbage. Oh my goodness. It's because I haven't really used this pen properly. Hold on. Okay, put out garbage. That's better. Then Thursday, my husband will pick up groceries, and I have Weight Watchers, so not enough hands. Sorry, without messing my desk looks. So go to Weight Watchers, weigh in, and then immediately after that, my husband will pick up the groceries. And I'll use a little grocery cart here. That will be super cute. There we go. And then I don't think there is anything happening these 2 days other than, oh, the usual of the badminton and ninja for the kids. I feel like I'm just going to write them in. So Henry has ninja, and he's been sick really for the past week, and then Robin was sick right before that, so we're just recovering. And then that day we are celebrating our belated Thanksgiving with the family. And yes, it is belated because last weekend my brother was out of town. I'm gonna cover up the 10 actually. Last weekend my brother was out of town, and so was I for a bit, and then the weekend before that my aunt was out of town, out of the country really. So Thanksgiving with family, and it's gonna be at my sister's house. All right. Oh, one thing I forgot to write in here is that our cleaner is coming on, oh, do I not have a cleaning sticker? The cleaner is coming on Wednesday. No, cleaner's coming tomorrow at 11. Oh, I just sat on Lucy's hand here. So 11 o'clock, Mopify. It's a different time for them normally to come, but they will be here tomorrow, which means we got to tidy up tonight. All right, let me clean up here. So there's the overall finished spread. Really light, really easy. I wanted to keep it simple, especially since I don't really use pet tape that often, but I like the look of it. I like the brown and the blue together. It still feels a little bit like fall, winterish with that. All right, but that is it for me today. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.